Instacart Holdings, your worldwide instrument partner. We have got a indoor air quality monitoring system, which comes in this form of this handheld instrument. This is offered from Lutron and the model number is GCH-2018. And this is having a 3 parameters display, which is RH, degree Celsius as in temperature, and carbon dioxide in ppm. This particular device has got two different probes to have these readings. One probe is used for temperature and humidity, as you can see, which is connected, and the other probe, this one, is for carbon dioxide reading. First I'll just talk about this temperature and humidity. The temperature range for this is 0 to 50 degrees Celsius, and the resolution is 0.1 degrees Celsius with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.8 degrees Celsius. Coming to the humidity, it is a range of 10 to 95 degrees percentage RH with a resolution of 0.1% RH, and accuracy is 3% of the reading, which is greater than or equal to 70% RH. This has got a 5 key operation. As you can see, the power, hold, record, set, alarm, which you can use for different purposes when you are carrying this in the field for recording the temperature and RH. We'll just remove this and try to put the probe of carbon dioxide. If this opens, I'll just introduce to this outlets also, this outputs also. This is a DC 9 volts output. Alternatively, you can use 6 1.5 volt cells in this area, and this is the RS-232 output. Should you wish to have this RS-232 output with this instrument, you need to have an optional accessory which doesn't come as a standard with this instrument. The standard instrument consists of the instrument and the probe for temperature, humidity, and carbon dioxide. This is the probe input, as you can see, and we'll just on it again, and it shows the ppm range. It takes a little while to warm up the sensor, but after it's warm up, the response time is very good for this carbon dioxide sensor. As you can see this rotating cycle, which is showing that it's warming up, and it will take a little while to show the current ppm range. However, to talk about this ppm range, the range is between 0 to 4000 ppm, resolution is 1 ppm, and accuracy is plus or minus 40 ppm, which is when is less than 1000 ppm. And when it comes to reading more than 1000 to 3000 ppm, it's 5% of the reading, and if it is more than 3000, it's plus or minus 250 ppm. This will also display the temperature along with the ppm range, as you can see in this big LCD screen. So it's currently warming up itself. Before it warms up completely, just to tell you about the different parameters of this is basically this has got a weight of approximately 372 grams along with the battery, and it has, as you said, it has, as I said, that it has also got RS-232 communication for the interface. Now this 232 interface is only used to have the data real time on your PC. That will also demand that the PC should have the software installed in that, so that you can use this instrument. Now please remember that this instrument doesn't have any memory capacity. Should you wish to have that, we have a different model in this which will have SD card in this, where you can store the memory and further take it download into your PC or wherever you want. So this is a real-time monitoring via RS-232 if you require. The other feature includes that the carbon dioxide sensor has got an NDIR method principle, and it has got a high repeatability and accuracy. It's the probes are very easy to handle and use, and you can probably you can set the altitude value with default for compensation also, and it has also got the maximum and minimum readings with the recall value. So these are some of the features which are common to this. Along with these instruments, you'll also get this case, this hard case, where you can put your instrument, easy to carry, and you'll also get this instruction manual where you can use to learn this the uses of keys, and you'll get an calibration certificate. I'll just keep it aside for some time and I'll walk you through for the optional accessory. So the optional accessory is this, which is RS-232 to USB, where you want to connect it to this particular instrument. You have to open this and put this jack into this socket, and then you have to put this in the USB. This has also got two CDs. One is the driver. The driver will be used in the PC where you want to see the real-time monitoring, and another CD for Lutron instruments. It will also have an operational manual. So please remember that this particular USB cable and these two CDs are an optional accessory, and you should be buying it separately if you require to. Otherwise, for display purpose, this will serve the purpose. This will serve in the field actually to take the readings wherever you want. This type of instruments are basically used in commercial buildings, any lab, or any critical HVAC application, or any critical lab where you want to see the carbon dioxide ppm range also in a particular room inside. So it will also give the carbon dioxide range and the temperature and humidity. These are basically nowadays getting popular because there are a lot of compliance coming from different agencies that the carbon dioxide level in certain work areas should be between range of like whatever has been laid off. So to check that, we use this kind of instruments actually. It takes a little time to warm up, but when it warms up, it will give you the right readings probably. So that's all about it, this instrument. And if you need to know more about this instrument and talk to our expert, you can always reach www.instrucard.com and browse over a variety of instruments and buy it online. Thanks for watching.